Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar, our great song, great combo, Snow Patrol Kylie Minogue. These alarms, alright, nice guitar-ish song you can say. Before we move on with this tutorial, I need to highlight my new YouTube channel. It's called Growing Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Link up here, and it's a great way of learning songs. You're gonna play from A to Z, chords shown on the screen. You just follow along with that playthrough, and yeah, you have a new song right there. Not only new, we have all the way back to like 50s or 60s or so. That's the reason for the name 6 Strings Ago. Okay, so old classics. Go and check out that. If you appreciate my work here, then you subscribe to that channel, and that is the best way to thank me, guys. So thank you so much for your support. Now let's focus on this Kylie and Snow combo song. We have a capo placed on the 3rd fret. Absolute best scenario for us. And with that, we have 5 chords. Let's go over the chords. We're going to start with A minor first. That goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. G next. 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And then we have the D minor. Open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. That's the verse chords. Now let's go into the chorus chords. A next. Open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And finally we have the D. And that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so we're going to handle this with a very simple strumming pattern. If you grab the first A minor chord, you're going to play 4 downs like this. Okay, I'm trying to emphasize the 3rd down in the way that I'm playing on the high strings. But for all the other downs, I play on the bass string, bass mid area. So that is 1 string around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so we're ready for the first verse. You're going to play A minor, 8 string arounds, then G, 2, D minor 2, and back to A minor 4. So it both starts and ends on A minor. So 1 round goes like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and G. 2, D minor, 2, and A minor. 3, 4. That's 1 round. Then you start again on A minor on the 2nd round. You're going to play a total of 3 rounds, and that is the first verse. Then at 1 minute and 5 seconds in, you're going to hit that chorus. And now we're going to play in the same way but different chords. So we're going to play A minor, sorry, not A minor, A now. A, 4 string rounds, G, 4, D, 4, and back to A4. Again, same scenario here. It both starts and ends on A. You're going to play that chord progression for 2 rounds. So let's do 1 round together. A, G, D, A, 4 string rounds per chord, like this. 4 and G. 3, 4 and D. 4 and A. And 2nd round. Continues in that way. 2 rounds in total, and that is the first round. Now, 2nd round of everything, you're gonna play in the same way for the 2nd verse, but only 2 rounds instead of 3 this time. 2 rounds, and that is the 2nd verse. And then you're gonna finish off the song with the chorus play. You're gonna double up, not 2 rounds, but 4 rounds instead of that A, G, D, A. And that's it, my friends. Doesn't have to be harder than that. 5 chords, very simple with strumming and straightforward. So, yep, you have it. These alarms. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play to.